This is our latest developed banking script. Just finished developing this very banking script and it's awesome. So let me just navigate you through the dashboard. This is the account creation page where users can actually create their accounts, fill every information here, supply their ID, their security question, then their withdrawal PIN. Then at the end, they can actually log in. So once they are logging in, the system is going to ask them the security question that they actually feed that other time for registration. So once they verify, they can actually log into their dashboard. So this is the user dashboard. Now we decided to use modern design and the modules that is actually ready right now. So these are the features. Users can actually request card. They can request any kind of card they want, just generate and they request here. So once they request card, they are going to see the request card here. Everything will be here. Is that okay? Then users can transfer. Now for the local transfer, you'll be required to impute your details. Let's you select your bank, then you select the account type, how much you want to withdraw locally, the currency, purpose of transfer, the accounts you're going to debit from, then you continue. Now, once you continue, it's going to ask you for your withdrawal PIN that you sent. Then after that, it's going to send an OTP to your email. So let's check our email. We are going to receive the OTP that will be sent to our email for verification. As you can see, the email just came in 315525. That is 315525. Yeah, let me not do mistake. Yes, 2525. Then once you submit, it's going to submit your details to the admin dashboard. Then admin will have to approve. Now, once admin approve, you are going to receive a credit notification, meaning you are going to receive a debit notification. The same thing with wire transfer. Now, for this wire transfer, when a user make a request, let me just make a request for the wire transfer. They'll be asked to supply 3 code here. They'll be asked to supply 3 code. Let me just navigate through so that you see. Then I'm going to receive an OTP. I'll put my withdrawal. Then first it will ask for OTP. There I will receive the OTP, then impute the OTP there. Now this is the OTP 487673. 487673. Now once I verify the OTP, it's going to ask for the COT code. Now this COT code, you can actually request it. Once you request the COT code, it's going to submit to the admin dashboard request. So let's just go to the admin. I'll just come to this place. Then I'll just log into admin dashboard. Let me just admin dashboard. Let me just log into the admin so that we can just check. Now this is the admin. Now if I go to manage local transfer, wire transfer, I beg your pardon. Now I'm going to see that request that I initiated. This is the request. So I can actually view the request. Let me just scroll right. I can actually view the request here. This is it. So I can view the request. Now remember I requested for the COT. So what you need to do, admin, you generate the COT. So let's check here. Let me request. I've requested. So I'm going to, yes. So I have generated it. Then all I need to do is come to this place. So you just come here and you copy the COT and you send it to your customer or your client. Let's say this is it. So I'll just drop the COT here. Then I'll verify if it is correct. It will ask for the next one, task code. So I'll come back here, copy the task code. Then you can actually send the task code to your customer. Then it will ask for the third one, which is TIN code. Then I'll just come back and put the TIN code. Now, if you refresh this place, you see all this one, they are already verified. Then once I put the TIN code, transaction will be pending until admin. Yeah. So transaction will be pending until admin actually approve it. So if we come to the admin, then we refresh this very place here. Now you see that our code is completed. Then the status is still pending. So if you come here, you see that we've used the codes. Is that okay? Now, you can actually backdate. You can backdate the transaction. Everything work. Now, if you approve this transaction, the user is going to receive a debit. Let me just approve it. The user is going to receive a debit email directly sent to their account. So if I come to this place here, is that you check the inbox. If it is not on your inbox, you check the spam folder. It depends on how you configure your email notification. So this is the alert. So everything works seamless. Yeah. Now let's go to deposit. You can actually deposit using crypto. This is the Bitcoin details, everything. You can use anyone. Then once you submit, they're going to receive notification. We have pay bills. Then you select the bill you want to pay. Then you submit everything. Like for every transaction you do here, you receive email notification. Now we have the investment features. Your customers can actually invest on this very system, yeah, and everything works seamlessly. Everything works seamlessly. They can actually request for loan. The loan request is also awesome. The loan request is working as well. Then their profile, then security. If they want to change their withdrawal, their current password, they can actually change. And if they want to lock their account, they can actually lock their account. Then settings. If they want to change their withdrawal PIN, they can actually change their withdrawal PIN. They can check their account statement. They can check their account statement. Then they can check transaction history, and they can as well create ticket. Is that okay? So this platform is very, very awesome. It is awesome. It is awesome. So this is the admin. Like I said, you can actually manage your users from this place. You can actually view them. You can suspend, you can delete, you can edit that very user. Then you can email the user directly from this place. You can email the user directly from the place. This is where you can create card for a user, any user that requests for card. So from this place, you can actually credit user. Yeah. You can credit user, you select the user, you select the type, you did credit or debit, you put it, let's say 1,000, then you process. Now, once you process, they are going to receive that very money. Now we have 1, 2 years. Let's refresh. You see everything is 2,200. Now, if you go to the transaction, you are going to see deposit. Deposit is here. Now, you can manage deposit. Every crypto deposit your users deposit, you are going to see it here. Then everything, you are going to see everything here. You are going to see the proof of deposit. Everything is here. So once you approve, it's going to reflect on their account. Then you are going to see manage local transfer. Like I said, manage local transfer is here. We have card, any card request. This is where you're going to see the card request. You can make it active or you can delete it. Then manage investment plan. Of course, if you want to create your investment plan, this is the current plan. So if you want to create any other plan, you click on new and you create your investment plan. Then you can manage active investment. Any investment that is active is here. You can as well suspend investment. You can view the investment. You can edit the investment. So this script is very, very seamless. This is loan. You can manage loan requests and everything. You can disburse it. Once you approve it, you disburse. Then deposit gateway. From here, you can make changes to your crypto deposit details, everything. Then manage pay bills. This is where you see pay bill request. This is where you're going to see their request here. Then manage ticket, of course. This is where you see ticket. You can reply to ticket. You can delete ticket, and so on. Now we'll go to general setting. From this place, you see the setting of the site. This is where you set your email configuration. Then this is where you set your logo. Then this is where you set the currency for the site. Then this is where you manage your banks here. So you can add banks here. You can delete banks here. So this is just a system. This system is very seamless. If you need this very script, we are going to upload it to our seller account. So you just click the link below this very video. It will take you to seller, purchase this script. It will direct you to our WhatsApp. Then you get your file. Is that okay? So the tutorial to this very script is as well here after this video.